Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad problem. Now let's provide a solution from here. Now from cross observation here, we have that this is not the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. Now we have that 4 here is on the right hand side, but 4 here is on the left hand side. So this means this is an exponent. This is an exponent that is obtained as a result of multiplication of 2 4 times. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This means that this is the same thing as 16. Now, this is an exponent math problem that is obtained as a result of repetition of multiplication. But now, here we have a tetration math problem. This is 2. This is the fourth tetration of 2. This is the fourth tetration of 2, which often is noted as 2 double arrows, then 4. So this means that the fourth tetration of 2, or 2 tetrated 4, this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2. So there's a big difference here. We are saying this is an exponent problem that is obtained as a result of repetition of multiplication of 2. How many times? 4 times. But here we have, this is the repetition of exponentiation. This is the repetition of exponentiation. Now, to solve this 2 tetrated 4, this means that we have 2 raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2 here. So we solve from right to the left. We solve from the right to the left. So this means that we have 2 times 2. This is 2 times 2. So that now, here we have 2 raised to the power of 2. Then 2 times 2 here is 4. Now, we have that 2 to the power of 4. This is what we have here, which is equal to 16. So this means that here we have 2 raised to the power of 16. 2 to the power of 16. So this indicates that 2 raised to the power of 16, this is the same thing as 65,536. Now, we are saying that we solve this titration math problem from the right to the left. This is the rule. Now, what if someone solves from the left to the right? Now, let's see the difference here. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2. Now, here we have the parentheses here. This is 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 4. Then raised to the power of 2, then raised to the power of 2. Again here, we'll have 4 squared. This is equal to 16, raised to the power of 2. And 16 squared, this is equal to 256. So you can see clearly 256 is not the same as 65,536. Okay, so we have the solution here. This is 65,536. Now let's solve another example. Now let's solve another example to understand how this tetration works. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 3. This is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And this is the same thing as 27. Now, if we switch the powers here, that means we have 2 tetrated by to 3. So this means we have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. So we have 2 multiplying by itself 3 times. Now, this means that we solve from the right to the left. So here we have 2 times 2. So this is 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And we have that 2 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to 16. And this is some of the examples for this titration math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.